If you're noticing a musty smell, water pooling under your mats, or sloshing sound in your Kia Sportage, the culprit could be a clogged AC drain. Behind this dashboard is a component of the AC system called the evaporator. When you turn on the AC, warm air passes over the evaporator coil, which is very cold. As the air cools, the moisture in it condenses into water droplets, just like how you see water droplets on a cold glass on a hot day. These water droplets collect and drip down to a tray that's connected to the drain line, which leads out under your car. Over time, dirt and debris can clog the drain under the evaporator, causing water to back up into the cabin. The evaporator is not easily accessible. You will have to remove almost the entire dashboard. However, you can unclog the drain from outside the vehicle with just a can of compressed air. First, locate the AC drain line. In Kia Sportage, it's located on the passenger side just under the ABS module. Let me give you a closer look. It's a small rubber tube coming out of the firewall and hanging down. This is what we will clear. Accessing this hose is really difficult as it does not go all the way down under the vehicle. You will have to get under the vehicle by the front passenger side wheel to access the hose. There is a small space near the CV axle from where you can squeeze your hand. Unclip the hose. First, give the tube a quick inspection to ensure there isn't any visible obstructions. Now it's time to spray compressed air into the hose. However, due to very tight space, it's impossible to do so. The can just won't reach the hose opening. To give myself more room to work, I turned the steering wheel all the way to the right, but still it wasn't enough. So what I'm going to do is use this hose that I have lying around to extend the AC drain hose. By extending the hose, I can not only easily spray compressed air into the drain line, but also avoid dirty water splashing on my face that will flush out of the tube as soon as you unclog the line. Now take your can of compressed air and carefully place the nozzle at the end of the drain tube. Spray a good amount of air into the tube. If your drain is clogged, you should see water gushing out of the tube now. After water is completely drained, head back inside and turn on the AC. Let it run for a few minutes and then check under the car. If water starts dripping from the drain tube, then congratulations, you have successfully unclogged the line. Your AC system should now be working more efficiently and any moisture or musty smell should start to clear up now. And that's how you quickly unclog the AC drain line using just a can of compressed air. This simple maintenance can make a huge difference in keeping your AC running smoothly and your car interior dry. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Wheelchair for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.